Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how we can use Zendrop. So to know that, you have to first log in our Shopify account, as you can see. So here is our Shopify account. So here in apps option, as you can see, as here is our app. So we have to click on this. So here we have to click on recommended app. So here at the end, as you can see, here is the option known as find more apps in the Shopify store. We have to click here. So we have to search it here. So we can just close it. Okay. So as you can see, here we have like Shopify, Mail, we have other apps. So here we have to search as in the search option, you can see we have to search Zendrop, Zendrop. So at the first you can see Zendrop, you have to click on that. So at the first you can see Zendrop and POD. Okay. So we can just click on this. So as you can see, Zendrops gives us a 7 days free trial and they will charge additional charges. So as you can see, Zendrop is free to install and it can access you to the 1 million plus products and unlimited import to your store. So for $50 a month, you can see they will give you unlimited orders per month, automated fulfillment and product sourcing, custom branding and US products. Okay, 24/7. So on $80, they will give to all from Pro Plus, and they will give you the Zendrop Academy. That is their learning program. You can see they have product plus subscription bundles, private product listing, a top winning product, print on demand. They will give us print on demand also, and you can see the third is free to install. So let's install. To install this app, we have to click here, add app. So as you can see, here we are redirected to Shopify. So here we have to click at our install app. So as you can see, Zendrop requires a sign up here. You can see so our team channel. Okay, so you can see here we can just our user ID and pass. So we can just use here our password. So here we can use a number. So number is from India. So yeah, here. So we can write the phone number from here. So as you can see, my phone number is, so here you can see this is phone number. You have to just sign up. So here is our, we have to update this. So as you can see, it's my ID, so you can see here. So this, as you can see, this 10 products, this 3 products are the most trending product according to Zendrop. So as you can see, we have option to import list. So import list is where they will import the product, not directly on your like product section. They will import the product in their like list section. Okay. So here you can see we can just import. So what's this? So this is a remote control vibrator. It's a vibrator. So as you can see, we can import this watch. So import. So as you can see, here is your coat. You can just import this necklace. So here you can see as this is coat. We can just import this. This is fingerprint locker. So you can mini dress. As you can see, we can import this um, case, Apple AirTag. So we can just import. So we can import the posture correction. So as you can see here, we have like a mop here also. So we can import a graphic tee. So here you can see when our product is done. So you have to click on here, as you can see, at import list. So here you can see in Zendrop is giving you $100 sign up, so you can just claim. If you want to see this video, you can see. So as you can see here, we have our t-shirt, and this is our all things. So we can change the dress name also. We can add the tags, and as you can see, we can just add product type. We can just edit this description also. These are the variants. That's how you can just manage the profit. So let's do from first. So this T, as you can see, like variants you can see. So it's t-shirt about $70. We are not making that much profit. Let's do our profit percentage as 10 only. Okay, 10 apply. So as you can see, 24 is okay price. So here we have variants. So here's the price about like 16, 16, 16, 16. So let's make the profit here also 10%. So let's do costing like $5 all. So we can do variant. So it's size variant. So as you can see, it's costing about a $30. So here we can do about a 15% margin. 15% margin. So as you can see, we are selling this just to $11. So here our dress is, as you can see. So this locker is costing like about $21, and product shipping cost is this, so it will like total profit. So let's make a profit sale of 10%. So it's $34 profit. Okay, 34 not $3 only profit. So we can just variant, and as you can see, this jackets are rolling at $60. So we can just change, and we can make it to 20%. So we can just apply. So as you can see, so last is watch. So this watch cost us about it's about like cost like a $10. So we are selling for 20. So let's do our costing up to 99. Okay, 9.99. Okay, so we will like make a profit up to $10. So when you've done to all this, so you have to click on import to store. So when you will click import to store, you will import it. You have to click by one, check all the things, and then import to store. Okay, so here you can see I'm importing. So as you can see, my all products are imported. So let's go to our store, and we can go to our here as our product. Okay, so as you can see, all the things has been added in our store. So if anyone will order from here, then Zendrop will ship their order to their address. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.